Inside your body right now, millions of microscopic soldiers are holding back a nuclear meltdown every single second. White blood cells patrol your bloodstream like armed guards. Antibodies hunt for invaders. Chemical weapons tear open foreign bacteria on contact. It is the most sophisticated defense grid on Earth. But it conceals a terrifying truth. The weapons your immune system uses to protect you are so lethal, violent, and indiscriminately destructive that your body spends more energy keeping them under control than actually fighting disease. You do not live in harmony with your immune system. You live in a state of tense, negotiated ceasefire. And if that control fails for even a fraction of a second, your own body will tear itself apart from the inside out. When a pathogen breaches your defenses, your white blood cells release powerful chemical signals called cytokines. These signals raise your body temperature, expand your blood vessels, and summon an army of immune cells to the biological battleground. In a controlled response, this creates localized inflammation, a swollen finger, a fever, a sore throat. It hurts, but it works. The invader is wiped out and the immune system stands down, but sometimes the threat triggers a panic response. Faced with a particularly aggressive bacteria or virus, your immune cells start screaming at each other in a chemical feedback loop. They release more and more cytokines, calling every soldier in your body to war at once. This is a cytokine storm, and it is the biological equivalent of dropping a bomb on your own city to eliminate a handful of thieves. In a cytokine storm, your blood vessels dilate uncontrollably all across your body, your blood pressure plunges to near zero, plasma leaks out of your veins into your surrounding tissues, your lungs fill up with fluid, making you drown in your own body chemistry. Your heart, liver, and kidneys are starved of oxygen and shut down one by one. This catastrophic cascade is known as sepsis. It is not the bacteria that kills you. It is your own military forces turning your organs into collateral damage. Even when the immune system isn't panicking, it can suffer from a fatal identity crisis. To keep you safe, your T cells undergo a brutal training regimen in an organ called the thymus. Millions of young T cells are exposed to healthy human proteins. If a T cell attacks a healthy human cell during training, it is forced to self-destruct. Over 95% of all immune cells fail this test and are executed on the spot. Only the ones that can distinguish self from enemy are allowed into your bloodstream. Yet some rogue cells slip through the cracks. A simple viral infection can trigger molecular mimicry, a tragic glitch where a foreign virus resembles your own joint cartilage, thyroid, or nervous system. Your immune cells learn to hunt the virus, but then continue hunting your healthy tissue long after the virus is gone. This is the birth of autoimmune disease, lupus, multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, your body waging an endless bloody war against itself. We tend to think of disease as something that attacks us from the outside, but evolution did not build your immune system to be gentle. It built a ruthless, scorched earth military force designed to ensure survival at any cost, even if that cost is you. You spend every day walking a razor-thin line between infection and self-destruction, which makes you wonder if your body is carrying a weapon capable of killing you in hours. How long can the ceasefire really last?